Should your Google Ads run 24 hours a day and 7 days a week? Many beginners just leave their campaigns running all the time, but depending on the business, that can actually waste a lot of money. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and in this video I'll explain when running ads 24/7 makes sense and when you should limit your ad schedule. Let's start with when running ads 24/7 makes sense. So for some businesses, customers might search at any time of the day. Think about services like an emergency plumber, because imagine someone's pipe bursts at 2 a.m. They would need the help immediately. Another example are taxi services. Someone might need a ride at midnight, very early in the morning, or let's say late at night after going out. So in that case, running a search campaign 24/7 makes perfect sense if your business allows online bookings. So many taxi services, they actually have online booking systems, so the customers can book a ride online or through an app at any time. So if your ads only run during the day, you could miss a lot of potential customers. I actually run a search campaign for a taxi service based in Melbourne, and the ads are running 24/7. So we are here under campaigns, audience, keywords, and content, and here under ad schedule. So here you can see that our ads are running all the time. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see as well our ads running all the time of the day, 24/7. If we want to change that, we could click here on the schedule, and here we can adapt the schedule. For example, to only show Monday to Friday. And let's talk about when you should limit your ad schedule. So not every campaign needs to run all day. A good example is a call campaign. Let's stay with the taxi example. Actually, you might run a search campaign 24/7 so people can visit your website and book a ride anytime. But if you're running a call campaign, you probably only want ads to show when someone actually can answer the phone. Here I run a call campaign for the same taxi service in Melbourne. You can see under ad schedule that we're only running the ads from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. every day. Imagine running a call ad 24/7. If someone clicks your ad at 2 a.m. and would call, so nobody would actually pick up the phone. And that click basically becomes wasted ad spend. So you lose money because no one can attend your call. A good strategy for beginners is, if you're running a search campaign, start with ads running all day. Collect some data and then review your performance by hour of the day. Let's do the example of the call campaign. So here under overview, you could actually review your data. Let's scroll down a little bit. So here you could see your performance by day of the week and time of the day. So let's click Add Schedule. So here inside that call campaign, you can check now which hours generate clicks and which hours generate conversions. If we scroll down a little bit, you can actually see which days and times work the best. So here you could see the highest clicks we get actually on Sundays from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then actually we could do some changes. For example, we could adjust the budget, like that we're giving 25% more budget on Sundays. So once you have that data, you can really adjust your ad schedule so you can focus on the hours that perform the best. Let me give you a quick recap. So should you run Google Ads 24/7? Sometimes yes, especially if your customers might search at any time of the day. So for usual search campaigns, I always recommend to show 24 hours and then maybe adjust the data. But for some campaigns like call ads, it only makes sense to run them only when your business is available. So imagine you have a call campaign and no one would answer the phone in the middle of the night, but someone is calling. So it means wasted budget for you. The key idea is very simple. Your ad schedule should match when your business can actually serve customers. If this video helped you to understand when running Google Ads 24/7 makes sense and when actually not, feel free to subscribe my weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.